Today, I'll show you how to go from ideas to UI design in minutes using Google Stitch. Yeah, so this is Google Stitch from Google and it's powered by the Gemini models. Okay, and this is the new way to design in 2026. Okay, it will just save you time and it will take you from just your ideas, and you start with a prompt, either text or screenshot, and you're going to get fully ready designs that you can export code, and you can also export to Figma. Okay, so this is the code view. You can export this clean HTML code supported with Tailwind CSS, and that is it. If you are new here, I am Aning, and I teach, train about web development and new updates in this tech field. Okay, and I'm going to teach you or show you how to land a job in tech without a degree. So kindly subscribe and follow me. So Google Stitch helps you go from ideas to mockup to test flows, or you can use it to brief developers without hiring a designer or a design team, or without learning Figma from scratch. Now with Google Stitch, you can export your design to Figma as editable layers, not just screenshots. You can edit every button, every element, auto layout. This is insane. Designed in minutes and you skip all the basic works. Why this matters? Because design can take ages. It can take forever if you use the wireframe and all those old methods, mockup, back and forth and all that. And with Google Stitch, you're going to skip all this process. So let me show you how it goes. You just have to start with the prompt here. So you can write a prompt, or you ask AI to give you a powerful prompt. Just copy the prompt and paste it in Google Stitch and start your design. That is how easy it is. And to able to export your code or your design, all you have to do is you select the view that you want. Either you want the mobile view, or let's say you want the desktop view, right? And you click on export and you choose Figma, either AI Studio, which is Google AI Studio, to add more pages or more customizations. You can export the code zip file. All right, so let's go to export to Figma, and you're going to click on this convert, and it's going to convert. When you are done converting, let's give it a minute to finish converting this design for us. Yeah, so when it's done converting, all you have to do is click on copy, and you go to Figma. You just paste your design in Figma, and this is amazing right here. You can literally change whatever you want to change. Okay, this wasn't made in Figma, it was from Google Stitch. You can change the buttons, you can edit your colors. So you know how insane this is. It would have taken ages to do this manually. Right, now you can definitely change background images, and you have all the layers over here perfectly. Let's say everything is perfectly grouped, named. That is very important. You have all your global colors here. You have your fonts, okay, and you can change anything that you want. Let's say I want to use a different font. Good, so I can just go ahead and change the fonts. Yeah, you can change the fonts as how you want it. So this is really game changing for design and develop community. It generates mobile versions, tablets versions, all the versions that you need to start your designing. If you are new here, I am Aning, and I teach, train about web development and new updates in this tech field. So kindly subscribe and follow me. So this is great for designers who don't want to waste time to look for mockups or wireframes. And this is good for developers who also can design. So Google Stitch can generate all the design and the UI, and you can later hand it over or hire a designer to polish it. So this is really fast for testing your ideas. Okay, it makes designers valuable so that they can work faster and they can focus on what really matters. That is what really requires human judgment. And it is also, it levels their playing field as well, and it helps non-designers to design and do basic mockups. And trust me, it is free to use.